Cashbuild has posted a 4% rise in fourth quarter revenue, and this has helped lift revenue for the full year by 5%. That's as the building materials retailer benefited from growth at its South African stores. The firm says it opened 8 new stores during the period and closed 12, most of which were P&L hardware stores. This brings the total number of stores trading at the end of the year to 318. Hyprop has walked away from its bid to acquire MAS. That's after MAS refused to release key documents. Hyprop had requested a copy of the development joint venture agreements between MAS and its largest shareholder, Prime Capital. But MAS refused, saying it couldn't do so without the consent of Prime Capital. Tensions have been high between Hyprop and Prime Capital. Prime Capital has openly criticized the Hyprop bid, with its CEO describing the move as a corporate power grab. That's as Prime Capital pursues its own offer for MAS. Merafe has warned of a profit plunge. The miner expects interim headline earnings per share to be between 45% and 65% lower. That's as low ferrochrome prices forced the group to suspend production at several of its smelters during the period. That led to output falling 28% year-on-year. Merafe will publish results on the 12th of August. AVI has forecast a profit bump. The Consumer Goods Group expects full-year headline earnings per share to increase between 5% and 7%. That's despite a challenging consumer environment, with the firm describing demand as anemic in many key categories. AVI's brands include 5 Roses, House of Coffees, Bakers and Spitz. The company will open its books on the 8th of September. The 2 largest unions at PRASA have accepted the rail operators' final wage offer. Members of UNTU and SATAWU will receive a 5.5% salary increase for the 2025-26 financial year. This comes after a 3% increment was rejected. UNTU spokesperson Atenkosi Plaiki says the deal reflects the voice of the collective PRASA employees. The government's plans for stricter tobacco laws are fundamentally flawed. That's according to the SA Tobacco Transformation Alliance. The industry body has told Parliament that the proposed measures will fuel the illicit cigarette trade and do little to curb smoking. And so the Alliance has called on MPs to send the Tobacco Products and Electronic Delivery Systems Control Bill back to the Health Department for redrafting. The bill seeks to tighten tobacco controls and for the first time regulate vapes and other tobacco-free nicotine products. The plan includes such measures as the introduction of plain packaging without cigarette manufacturers' branding. But SATA says this will only make it easier for criminals to manufacture and sell counterfeit products.